What is the similarity between myself and Martin Scorsese? If we answer your question, this is it. Loved by movie professionals and ultra high-end home theater clientele, Kaleidescape have been the go-to system known for convenience for cataloging and choosing the movie collection, with the convenience level of streaming device, but with the quality surpassing even the best physical media out there. Unlike streaming, and very much like physical media, the audio is lossless. So you get Dolby True HD, you get Atmos, the whole shebang. And the video quality is beyond 4K Blu-ray physical media. Furthermore, they also have Kaleidescape exclusives, not only for movies, but also for concerts. On top of all that, Kaleidescape now also allow you just to rent a movie instead of purchasing it, should you choose to do so. So I received this box yesterday, and the other box today.
A package a day keeps the boxes away.
Sorry, can't help it. Let's see what's inside here. Nice cloth packaging. Heavy foam. See what's inside here. Let's get the cable. Oh! They also use Pixel Jam design. That's the cable I always use. The remote control is backlit. Nice weight to it. And of course the power supply. Now the unit itself. Ooh, nice. And heavy. It's really heavy. Let's see what's in the back here. You got the power in. Video out. Separate HDMI video audio out if you want to. The USB out, network, infrared in. And a micro USB for service. And as you can see, that's a Strato C movie player. The player itself screams luxury. Really solid metal. Just gorgeous. So now it's the second box. It's packaged very similarly to the Strato C. This is very heavy for what it is. Same Velcro packaging. Crazy weight for something like this. Luxury galore. With network and USB connection there. Okay, this one is for the power supply. Now as you can see that's a Terra movie server, 6 terabyte. With a faceplate as nicely as the Strato C player. Stacked together, they look so sweet like that. And yeah, crazy heavy. Well, there you go. It's shiny. So here it is, Kaleidescape menu. Well, movie menu. You can choose between title or cover, or title and cover. The nice thing about this cover art option is that let's say you want to watch Mad Max. You see all those things moving? Yeah, that's because the suggestion from Kaleidescape to you is being done automatically. So it shows you what movies are similar to that particular movie you're looking for. So let's say you want to watch movies that is similar to the Batman. You go there. A couple seconds later, changes. See, you can see more superhero movies. You see Spider-Man. You see, well, Black Widow. You see James Bond. So it's practically the suggestion almost like Netflix, but a lot more accurate. For me, if I really want to see what I really want based on what's inside the server, I just press this and then I can scroll up and down, look for which movie I want to watch. And you can choose by title, choose by genre, choose by cast, director, year, time, rating, and quality. For example, that Batman, you know that the ones in my server, in my hard drive, is HDR 4K. But if I want to rent something, I just click store. And it should be showing, there you go. It's showing everything that is at Kaleidescape store. Because I want to review Black Phone. So go down here, go there, oops, Black Phone, click yes, and then I'm ready to watch. Oh, I almost forgot. If you have a Kaleidescape in a separate room, obviously you cannot use this IR remote. So you can download the Kaleidescape app, click here, and then there you go. You have that remote control on your iPad or iPhone or any other tablet. You have access to the Kaleidescape store here. And if you want to control what you have, click remote. And there you go. You can choose title search, cover art search, title and cover art search. This is to access the store. And this is to access additional menu. So that's the end of this particular video. I'll be making more videos related to Kaleidescape in the coming months. So like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And click the bell notification button so the next time I upload a new video, especially about Kaleidescape, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.